Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed already, don't forget to like, leave a comment at the end of this video. So on this video, I'll be showing you how to create an online banking platform. This is the online banking right here, and let's go through it so you can know what you're going to create. So if you're not interested in it, you can just close the video. So first off, this is the front right now. So it's going to take a while, but it's going to load. Here's the login page. So we're going to sign up. You enter the username and the password. You sign up. Here, right here is the admin dashboard, or pardon, the user dashboard. So this is the total amount of money in the account right now. The available balance is around $962,000, and the account number is right here. These are the total deposits, the withdrawals, the transactions, the total loans, and DPS and FDR. If you are into online banking, you're supposed to know what that acronym stands for. And here's the referral link where users can refer other people to bank with us. It's our online banking platform which we are going to be creating. So first of all, here are the recent transactions. You can see right here that there's $95 out, and let's go for wire transfer. So in the wire transfer, this is where interbank transfer and intercountry transfer take place. So here you can just add a transfer. Then these are the banks. You can see how we're going to add more banks to this place later in this video. So the only bank that is currently added is the Citibank. If you click that Citibank, it's going to bring out the SWIFT code, the currency, the routing number, and the country the bank is located. You just have to enter the account name and the account holder name and the amount we want to send, and a compulsory note we have to leave for the sender. So here are the basic things you want to know about the online banking. But I'm going to go to the admin so we can show you how to add credit balance, withdraw balance, and also how to add transaction history, and also how to add banks for wire transfer. So let's log out from this account and let's log into the admin dashboard. It's going to take a while, but here we are, admin login page. So let's click on login and continue. Pardon my network. So here is the admin page. You can see there are very many prompts, like the total active customer, the blocked customer. You see we haven't blocked any. The total blog posts, the total deposit that we have done. This is not calculating the amount, but the number of times we have done deposits. The total number of loans that we have done, the total pending loan that are waiting for acceptance, total running loan. See, there is currently none. So all these are just total deposits. So all these are just essential information that the admin need to see, which is you, for example. So let's go on to the users. I can't see this user page. So we'll click on the manage customer, and enter the user list. So this is the user list, and these are the list of users that are currently in the bank. The current users, we can block them, credit them, debit them. So let's check the actions we can on those users. Actions. So right here in the edit page, you can see that this is the profile picture. You can upload profile picture for the user. You can change the user name, email address, phone number, and so on. But that's not why we are here. The reason we are here is we want to be able to credit and debit users. So excuse me guys, we won't be able to do that while we're in this place, because this is just for demonstration purposes only. So let's go to adding bank, for example. We came here to add bank, and also to check how to withdraw and deposit. But since we are not able to do that, we'll head over to the wire transfer place. So in the wire transfer, you can add the bank we want to transfer money to, and their routing number and SWIFT code, and also the country the bank is located. So the only bank we said earlier on was Citibank, but we can add bank, which is just click on the add bank. So these are the details of bank. We can just enter a bank, for example. So let's enter the bank name. Well, the bank name, let's call it Bank of America. Or this is kind of worthless anyway. Let's head straight over to the place where we're going to be creating this bank. So we'll have our own personal bank, and you can add your own details if you'd like, but we are going to go straight to creating the bank. So here we are in this control panel. If you don't know what the control panel is an hosting account where you can host your website and make it live online. So first things first, the hosting account is filled with so many stuff that are way advanced to your level if you are a beginner, but if you are an intermediate to advanced level, then you should be quite familiar with all this. So we'll head over straight to where we're going to be putting the bank. You can click the file manager, but first things first, we have to have a domain name we are putting the bank into. So let's search on domain. Can either search on domain, or click on domain in the domain category, and you can, it's taking a while to load. These are the list of domain currently loaded in our hosting account. You see, there are quite a few. So we can either create a new domain that we're going to be importing. If you are doing an add-on domain, if you don't know what that means, I can create a separate video for that. But here we are going to use this demo. We are going to use this, and this is the document root. So let's head over straight to the document root in the file manager. So if you can, this link to the file manager located in the file. So the file is located in home broadcast public.html / the domain name. So this is where it's located. So all these are right here. We don't need any of this. We are going to put our own new banking code. So we don't need any of this. I'm deleting them right away. So it's kind of taking a while to delete. Just bear with me. Now that the directory is empty, all we have to do is upload. We're uploading the file. So right here, just upload. Click on the upload button. You head over to the place where the file is located. It's taking a while. Pardon for my slow internet connection. But what can I do? So go straight to the desktop folder, and in the bank file, here is our file. Click on the open. It takes quite a while to load. So if you are a beginner to code, follow me for more tips like this, because I'm going to be diving deep into creating your own code from scratch, directly from the scratch, from the HTML code to the CSS to the JavaScript and the PHP, directly straight to the MySQL file. Having your own server code, coding the server, front end and back end. If you don't understand what this means, click on the follow button. Even if you understand what this means, also follow for more. So we have uploaded the document successfully. We just have to head back to our directory. So this is our directory. We just go back. So here is our directory. We have to upload, or rather unzip the file. There's two ways to do this. We can either click on the file and click on extract, or you can simply right click and extract. So the files have been uploaded successfully. You just have to close, reload if you are not seeing changes yet. So these are the files right here. So what we have to do next is quite very simple. We have to create a server for this. So we go back to our control panel. So we are right back in our Cpanel. So what we have to do now is create a server. So we can easily come here and search for MySQL, our MySQL database wizard, or you can just go take the long route of looking for the database, which is right here. So we are in the database. Now we have to create the database. Let's name it something we can easily remember. Let's name it Genius. Because I'm very dull and I want to be able to remember what I'm doing, so I'll name it the same thing, Genius. And I'll name the password the username. So let's save. But just to be correct, because I didn't get that quite yet, I'll recopy, I'll right click, copy, and I'll paste and paste. We have created the dashboard successfully. So as a banking dashboard or a banking database, we have to be able to create user, delete user, create events, triggers, insert into a database, and so on. So all this must be checked. So allow all privileges and proceed to the next step. So I've created the dashboard successfully. Well, now that we have created our server, we just have to install our banking script. We want to just click on the name store. It's going to take a while to load. So here is the install. To begin installation, we just have to click on start installation. It's taking a while because of my networks. So there are certain requirements that has to be met. There are certain times these permissions are not met. So permissions like project/vendor, meaning we should give a higher permission to the vendor file located in the project document. So let's go back to the fact that permission is not met. So to set the vendor project/vendor. Select the vendor file, and this is the vendor file. We'll give it permission. So it's met, but is ticking the green button, or it's ticking it has a blue tick or something. Project/storage, that means the storage file located in the project document. So all these are located in one file. So after doing storage, here's the storage, this is storage right here. So give it a higher permission. Then we'll go in storage file and give this tree file a higher permission, like 777. We are giving these files more permission to act on our server. So all the permission has been given successfully, and now we have met the requirements. So to 4, which is our server details. First we enter our website name, which is currently demo.edomart.ng. The website URL means we start with https demo and local host, our database is just local host. Server, remember the server, they are all the same. So I'm going to just paste and paste. Let's install. So while we're installing, the MySQL file has been inserted into the database with the database username of Genius and the database name as Genius. It's going to take a while, so don't be bothered if it doesn't just happen instantaneously. So our database has been installed successfully and we are good to go. So these are our current admin username and our admin password. And here is our admin link to login. So let's complete the process. It's essential to click on complete the process. Don't want to skip this step, man. So we'll go straight to the front end of the website. This front end of the website is where I'll be showing you further how to make changes to the front end with HTML and CSS code. So there has been a power outage, but I'm going to continue. So this is the current user interface of the end. So you can see everything is pre-built. I'll show you how to make changes to here right after this. But first thing, you just have to log in as admin. Click on admin and log in. So remember the username and the password. If you have forgotten, rewind back this video. Let's log in. Create. So it's loading. So these are dashboard. So I'm going to show you how to manage customers user list. I'm video of the browser so I can show you. Click on the user list. So let's click on the actions we can take on this user. So here's the user details. For us to be able to make changes, we just have to click on the details right here. So right about here, we can add any amount we want into the user account. So if you remember back in the video, I wasn't able to show you how to add balance, but now we're going to add. We added 400 to 3 point something. So I'm going to refresh right here. That successfully be added. You can also subtract. Let's subtract 200. Just testing whether just testing to check if it works properly. So let's go back and refresh also. So we have refreshed and here it is right here. So this is all for now. As the admin, we have the privilege to delete, block, do anything we actually want on our website. So let's log out. So we have logged out and now we are in the front end. I would like to show you how to create accounts, how to make changes to this front end. You can either do it from the admin. There's many ways to do it from the admin. As the admin, just log in as the admin. While you are logged in, let's log in. Pardon me. While you are logged in, just scroll down. We'll change the password. You can change it yourself if you are interested in the code. So let's check these pages. not this one, but can't see it, probably because of my eyes or something. So this is it. So we can virtually change anything we want because it's our beach. Is that what? Is that what? Okay. So here are the details we can easily change. So let me show you in the front end while I make changes to the back end, so you see it right away, live preview. So this is the hero section, and this is the button. So the hero section section is the changes we can do on the hero section. Simple and safe digital banking mobile app. Simple and safe digital banking mobile app. So we'll just make changes to this app logo, and we can make changes to this place. We just put our current banking name, which is demo dot. Can put another link to anywhere we want, but this is just for entertainment purposes only. You see, that's not a joke, but it's a fake joke. So we just have to refresh and write this. This is it, a digital banking app go. If you click here, it's going to space. It's going to reload. So what we wanted worked successfully. You can click this link to the login page or the register page. You can put it anyone you want, but me, I'm not interested in that. What I've showed you is how you can make changes to everything. Just come back. There are different sections you can make changes to. Home page setting. Just go to the home page setting bar in this side menu. You see the features, the about section, the service section, the account register process. All these you can make changes to any section you wish. The home page customization, let's enter. Let me show you something. This home page customization is, you can, this align some features, removing some things you want to remove. So for example, you don't want the features, you can remove it. So this feature right here, let's allow cookies first, let's get that over with. So these features right here, let's remove it. Feature bar, just remove and submit. So when we go back to our page, it's not going to show because we did something to it. When we refresh, we went to the database and thought, wow, changes have been made. So with this, you have really gotten your own personal banking and you are good to go. So all you need now is to get paid, man. So I've showed you how to change it from the admin, but now I'm going to go directly to the code and show you how to make changes within the code. So let's make changes. Click on File Manager. This loading is taking a while, but please be patient with me. So my internet connection is quite slow, but so we'll go to the public underscore HTML because this is where our domains are located. We look for our demo. This is our current bank. It's Genius Bank, by the way, and I'll show you how you can get it. So this is our project. This is the index.php. This index.php is just the include folder where we include from different aspects of the code. Index, anything concerning index is the main page of the website. That means the home. But instead of home.php or home.html, it's index because it's indexing the file, it's indexing the documents, it's indexing the website as a whole. This thing is kind of loading slow. So here it is right here. So to some of you, these are just bunch of gibberish. So like I said, this might be just gibberish to some of you. So we're going to go back because of this place and go back to our main file. We enter to our project. Our project file, this is where our files are located. Here is our environment. This is kind of similar to Laravel. So we'll just click on our resource, open our views. Views means what you are seeing, view, you can view it. So you can make changes to the user, to the admin dashboard, which is not quite needed, but we're going to make changes to the user logged in page. So there are different pages we can make changes to, but the main reason why we are here is to make changes to the front end, which is right here. We just said front end. So these are the files that's located in the front end. Right click on this for now. Let's click on edit. If you remember, the edit from admin section only affect the main page, like the home page, but it doesn't have make changes to the about and so on, about, contact us and so on. So right here we can make changes. Instead of this data title, we can just change it to something we want. So let me go over to the place we can actually see about title. For example, we'll just remove this place because what that is actually doing is like, it's like create, update and delete. So when you create that in the admin place, you get stored in the database and you get represented in the code. So if you don't know what that works, how that works, follow me and I'll be diving straight in to it. So let's put something here. Let's put Aproco Bank. Ctrl Z, because I made an error right there. Thank God for Ctrl Z, if not for Ctrl Z. So let's just say about Aproco Bank. So save, then view the page. Let's see changes that I made. Just making little changes, not quite important, but when you are the owner of this bank, you'll be needed. It will be very needed for you to make changes to this. So you just have to do it. See the loading. Let's load this is right here about Aproco Bank. So that's all you need to know about this bank. If you have been following me so far, thank you and I appreciate you very much. Don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. If you don't like it, please leave a thumbs down, but I wouldn't advise that. No, I tried. So if you want this code, DM me or you can head over straight to the product. To purchase this code, just head over to Code Canyon. This is the name of the bank, Genius Bank. It's a digital banking system. You can purchase this code right here, or you can just DM. Bye bye. Just DM for this code if you want it.